Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fusion grill. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal tool and a ratchet with appropriate sockets. Begin by opening your hood and identifying the plastic push pins along the top edge of the grill. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry up and remove these pins. There are typically around 6 to 8 pins to detach, so take your time with each one. After removing the push pins, you'll often find a few small bolts or screws along the top of the grill, usually near the headlights. Use your ratchet to carefully unscrew these fasteners. Once these are out, the top portion of the grill should feel much looser. Gently pull the top edge of the grill forward, being careful not to force it, as there might be hidden clips. Now, the trickiest part is often the lower clips. These are usually located along the bottom edge of the grill, connecting it to the bumper. You'll need to reach behind the grill, or sometimes even under the car, to access them. Gently press or squeeze the tabs on these clips to release them one by one. There are typically 4 to 6 of these, so be patient and methodical. With all the upper fasteners and lower clips disengaged, the grill should now be free. Carefully pull the entire grill assembly straight out from the front of the vehicle. Take a moment to inspect the bumper and the grill itself for any overlooked connections or potential damage. If you're replacing the grill, you're ready for the new one. If reinstalling, reverse these steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.